All right. Greetings, fellow grade 12s. It's Mr. Shajai here, and welcome to Back to Basics. Basically, what we are looking at, we are still looking at our arithmetic sequence, and basically, we are going to be checking out this particular equation and see in terms of what is it that we can do in here. Now, to begin with, the first question require us to find out the value of your k, right? So now if you can look at what we are given, right? So basically here you are given that you are having 2k, right? You're having 2k subtract 1. You are having k plus your what? Plus your 7, and you are also having your 5k. Then this is subtract 5, right? So what is it that we can do here firstly? Now, in order for us to find out the value of your k, since it is given that it is an arithmetic sequence, right? So the first thing that we at least know about an arithmetic sequence is that whenever you are looking for the common difference, right, you are always going to take the second term, subtract the first term, take the third term, and subtract the second term. So basically, that is what we are going to do then, right? So now what is it that we are going to do? Basically, we are going to say, now what you are having here, it's going to be same as your k plus 7 subtract into bracket. This is going to be same as 2k subtract 1, right? So we are going to write this in brackets because you're having more than one term, right? And now similarly here, you are going to have what? This is going to be 5k subtract 5, and then this is going to subtract, this is going to be your k plus 7, which is going to be subtracted, right? Now, what is it that we know? Basically, we know that our value of our d, right? Whenever you're looking for our value of our d, our different, it is always going to be same as term 2 subtract term 1, right? Which is always the same with your what? With your term 3 subtract term what? Term 2. Basically, which means what you are going to do here, you are going to just simply equate these two differences, right? Then when you're equating these two differences now, what is it that you're going to have, right? So this is basically going to be same as now k plus 7 subtract, this is going to be same, subtract 2k, and negative, this is going to give you positive 1, is equals to, the other one is going to be given by 5k subtract 5. Then this is going to subtract what? Subtract k, and then you are going to subtract what? You are going to subtract 7, right? Now that we are here, we are going to simply do what? We are going to, collect our like terms. Then basically, when you are collecting our like terms, what we are going to do, basically, we can take all the k's this side, right? So basically, which means you can simply just say, take this one. Remember, 5k here, subtract k is going to give you 4k, right? So you're going to simply take it this particular side. And then what is it that you're going to have? But before we do that, let's simply just solve this any further, right? Now, this is going to be your k subtract 2k, which is going to give you a negative k. When you say your 7 plus 1, this is going to give you plus 8. Similarly, on this side, what you're going to have here, this is going to be same as what? 4k. And then when you say negative 5, subtract 7, what is the answer that you're going to get? This is same as negative 12, right? And now you can simply just group the what? You can simply group the like terms. When you take the k this side, this is going to same as negative k subtract 4k is equals to negative 12 subtract your 8. And then what is the answer that you're going to get here? Basically, this is same as negative 20, and this is going to be negative 5k, right? And now when you have that, now you can simply just divide by negative 5 this side, and you're dividing by negative 5 this side, right? So the value of your k that you're going to find, it is going to be given by what? It is going to be given by 4, right? So which means your value of your k in here, right? The value of your k in here, it's going to be what? It is going to be 4, right? So basically, this is what is going to be the value of your k. Now, the next question is, they want us to find out the first 3 terms of this particular sequence, right? Now, how are we then going to find the first 3 terms of this particular sequence? Let's see in terms of what is it that we can do. Now, if you can look at this, you are given that you are having 2. This is same as what? 2, but now you found the k, right? So this is going to be same as 2 into 4 subtract 1, right? This is going to be the first term. Remember, this was we are given the first term, right? And then now the second term you are given by k plus 7. So where there is k, you are going to write 4. So this is going to be 4 plus 7. And the third one is going to be given by what? This is going to be given by 5. Open bracket, your 4, and then close bracket, subtract what? Subtract 5. And then what is going to be this? This 2 multiplied by 4, it's 8. 8 subtract 1. This is going to give you your 7, right? And when you say 4 plus your 7, this is going to give you your 11. And when you say this 5 multiplied by 4, this is going to give you your 20. 20 subtract 5, this is going to be a 15, right? So basically, this is going to be the first 3 terms of this particular equation, right? Now, this is going to be then your number B. And now, when you are looking for our last one now, our number C, let's see in terms of what is it that we can do in number C. Now, for you to find out your number C, remember that you've already having the 1, 2, 3 terms, right? The first, second, and the third term. So the easier thing that you can do is you can just go back to the rule of thumb, start by firstly finding out what is going to be the difference between this, right? So you're going to find out what is going to be the difference here. When you say 11 subtract 7, what is the answer that you are going to get in there? You are going to find out that this is going to give you 4, right? So which means your difference here, it's going to be 4. Similarly, 15 subtract 11 is going to give you 4. So whenever you are doing the TN now, when you find out the general formula, what is it that you're going to do? Let's make up our space here. So basically what you can do here, this is going to be same as Tn is equals to A plus open bracket and subtract 1 close bracket D. Now you know what is the A stand for? The first term, right? Your first term is given by 7 plus what is the N? This is going to be N subtract 1. And then what is the D? The D, we know that this is going to be 4. And when you are finding the Tn now, this is going to be 7. This is going to be plus 4n. Remember, now you are distributing the 4 this side, right? So this is 4n minus 4. So which means now your value of your Tn, the value of your Tn that you are going to find the same as 4n. This is going to be plus 3. 7 subtract 4 is 3, right? So this is going to be 4n plus 3. So basically, this is how you are going to, go about solving this type of questions. Thank you very much.